All right, guys, I'm going to try the TikTok rice noodle popcorn challenge out live in front of you all for the first time. So I haven't done this before. But apparently if you put rice noodles and hot vegetable oil, it's like popcorn, which I think would be helpful to me since I thought I had to get my wisdom tooth extracted from the pain one time, and it was because I had a popcorn kernel stuck under my gum. So I'm trying to avoid that situation. So I have my rice noodles and I have vegetable oil, and let's see what happens. I don't really fry much, so this could get dangerous. Apparently they're like puff right up. Oh wow, look at that. Oh, when we flip it. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's try one more. Ooh, I like it. All right, now let me taste it. That's the main thing. All right. Don't want to burn my mouth off, but all right, they're crispy. They're like better than popcorn. Crispy light. They need a little bit of salt. Ooh, or cinnamon sugar would be really good, but that's a good little hack. Thank you, TikTok. So this is a waxed cucumber, and you're technically not supposed to eat the skin because your body can't digest the wax.
Hey, Buddy,
so what you're gonna...
Buddy, look at this. I cannot believe it.
God, I'm filming something with Kevin right now.
Hey, listen, look.
Dad.
Aunt Beth, Uncle Rock had told me about these shower cap ideas.
Yeah, but I'm cooking,
bowls.
Dad.
Honey, at the dollar store,
Yeah, but...
bowl covers are better than
Dad.
Saran wrap, better than pressed seal, better than Reynolds wrap. I'm sorry, but you know, I just had to tell you about
At the
it.
dollar, they're not gonna work at the dollar. Dad, this is a shower cap for old women.
No, it says bowl covers. I'm
You
telling
put
you.
your glasses on. It says for old women. It's a shower cap.
Oh my God, what the heck's going on?
Come on, you're running.
Oh,
Goodbye.
come on.
Goodbye.
I love this idea.
Goodbye.
I always
Goodbye.
like tips
Kevin,
to
cut
help
it.
you.
Kevin, cut it.